washable markers. Let's learn the alphabet. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for curtains. D is for daylight. E is for eggs. F is for fish. G is for garden. H is for house. I is for igloo. J is for jelly. K is for keys. L is for lunch. M is for mother. N is for November. O is for orange. P is for people. Q is for queen. R is for river. S is for sugar. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for washing. X is for xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zebra.